Oh yeah, look at that beauty. What's up YouTube? 2.5 Ray S here. Gonna make a small vlog today. Basically what I have is for these beautiful headlights that I love showing off, like KZ Lighting, awesome dude. Basically, for the longest time, you see these turn signals and side markers? They're kind of orange. And not a lot of people know this, but basically, in Japan, they don't have laws saying that we need orange turn signals and orange corner lights. That's why all the red and white Japanese stuff is so cool for the Subarus here. And basically, instead of getting white turn signals and white side markers, I've decided to go with black backing turn signals and a black backing side marker. That's what these bad boys are today. Nice. Just be a short install video. Just gonna put them in. Be a little small first mod. Just reminding you guys that I am keeping track of everything I do to this car from now on. Also, major thing I forgot to say in the last few videos. She has a name, and her name is Uni. Hi, Uni. Hi. When I got her at first, I was thinking of so many different names before I even had Uni, I was thinking of different names that I could name her potentially as. And as I was thinking about it, it crossed my mind, she was unique. She was kind of a unicorn. She was Uni. Secondly, is that the car meet editing that I'm so into, my main inspiration is from another channel called Crowned. He basically hosts car meets online in a game called Need for Speed, the 2015 one. And though it sounds silly, really watching his videos were the first editing style, not even Crispy Media or any of the other guys that do these fantastic real life car meet videos. Watching his editing style made the game feel so real. And just watching him do that made me say, hey, I gotta give that a try, but locally here in Washington. So the topic of today's video will be putting these turn signals in. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so this is the homie Skylar. What's up, buddy?
What's up, bro?
Yeah, he just rolled up as I was doing the turn signal here, so I'm gonna keep doing that. Alright, so the corner lights are in. Black as hell. Nice. The vents are still orange, but I'm going to fizz can those black when I get the chance. Oops. Nice. Alright.
Just from Newport.
No. Why? I actually didn't. Bro, I actually did.
Oh, yeah. That's why Mr. Cody's missing a camera, bro. Dude, that's so cool how those light up.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah, those LEDs are bright. And that's orange, so I can still get away with having them in front of the cops. Yeah. Different shade of orange, but I'm okay with that. Alright, YouTube. Just a quick vlog. More stuff to come, hopefully. Meantime, subscribe.
I feel like nothing ever goes my way.